Good morning, students. So we are again here for our next session. All right, so let's start the class. Okay, students, so today we are doing number system part 2. Yes, so in the last session we have done different types of number system, and we have also done a conversion, that is from decimal number into binary number, right? So today again we will do conversion, that is from binary numbers to decimal number. All right, we will do the opposite one we have done before, the conversion of decimal number to binary number. For today we will do the opposite one, that conversion of binary number to decimal number. So let's see an example of that. Yes, so see, 10010, it is a binary number. Fine, so we have to find the decimal number of it. We have to convert this binary number into a decimal number. So this is the question, and let us now see how to solve this. All right, come, let's see. Okay, students, so we will write the binary number 10010. Okay, so this is the binary number. We will write all the digits, leaving a little bit space in between. Okay, so this will help us in solving. Now next what we will do, we will keep on multiplying all the digits with number 2, because the base of binary number is 2. We will draw a line like this, then we will write the digit, okay, and we will multiply it by 2. Second thing what we will do, we will keep on increasing the power of 2. So in the first line we will put the lowest power. So what is the lowest power? That is 0. So we will write here 2 to the power 0. And like this we will continue till n. So next digit we will take 1 into 2 to the power, this time power will increase to 1, so this time 2 to the power 1. Okay, next digit is again 0. We will multiply it again by 2, but this time the power will be 2. Next is 0. Into 2 to the power 3. Last digit 1 into 2 to the power 4. Okay, now we will solve each of the line. Before that you should know what is the power, right? So power means number of times the number will be multiplied. Like here we have we will take an example to see. So let's see what will be the answer of 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 means 2 will be multiplied 4 times. Okay, so what will be the answer? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 means 2 will be multiplied 4 times. Fine. So what will be the answer? 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. And 8 into 2 is 16. Fine. So the answer will be what? 16. Okay, answer is 16. So understood, student, what is power? So next here you should have a question now, ma'am, what will happen if its power is 0? So any number, if its power is 0, the answer will always be 1. Fine. So here 2 to the power 0 is 1. 1 into 0 is 0. So answer is 0. Second line, 2 to the power 1 is 2. Into 1, answer is 2. Okay. Next, third line, 2 to the power 2 means 2 will be multiplied 2 times. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 0, 0. Next, 2 to the power 3 is 2 into 2, 4. 4 to the 8. 8 into 0, 0. Yes. Then lastly, 2 to the power 4. Answer is 16. 16 ones are 16. Done. After this, we will add all the numbers we got. So 16 plus 0, 0, 2, 0. Answer is what? 18. Okay. Now let us see how to write the answer. So give a bracket and write the binary number. Close the bracket and give the base. So student, what is the base of binary number? 2, isn't it? Then equal, again within bracket, write the decimal number we got with its base. So the base of decimal number is 10. Okay students, so this is your answer. Students, I hope you have understood everything what I have taught today. If you have any doubts, please comment me down. Let me know what doubt you have. So I'll try to solve it out. Okay. So